Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass Real Estate up in Big Bear Lake. Today I'm going to show you the new listing that we have coming soon over at 41935 Switzerland. It's a condo, so unit number 27 and right walking distance to Snow Summit. So come check it out. So here we are. That is Snow Summit's parking lot right there. National Forest right behind this building. This is called Escape Townhomes. So we are going to walk over to this new great deal that is coming on the market. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom condo, and coming on for $485,000. So very active HOA. In fact, they are on site. Many of these are rentals. I don't know who those children are. We are going to enter. All the bedrooms are upstairs, which is nice. So they have washer dryer right here at the entrance, and then like a ski rack wall. So pretty nice. And then you've got this big open living room, dining room, and kitchen. So the HOA over here is about $900 every quarter. They use this one as a rental. Don't really push it too much, but some of these are making like $35,000, $40,000 over here. They're all pretty much, you know, there's like 2 or 3, and then probably about 3 or 4 different layouts of all of these. And so you've got some granite countertops, some nice updated flooring. It's always nice when they have done some updates to it. I think there's another one listed that is a little bit higher than this one and has not been updated. So we'll make a good competition for that one. Nice hardwood floors, tongue and groove. And we'll go upstairs. So great area of the complex too. It is very easy parking, as well as really easy to get to the ski slopes. So this is more of your master. Kind of neat because you can actually go over. And they've got a queen bed in here. Some granite. And then we will go into bedroom number 2, which they sleep quite a bit of people in here. But look at these big vaulted ceilings. Really pretty. We got nice tree views right here. And again, very active HOA. You can manage the rental with the on-site management company, or you could run it yourself, or you could run it yourself, or you could hire a management company that is not the on-site one. But regardless, coming on the market, $485,000, 2-bed, 2-bath condo. So let me know what you think. Bye.